Morning. Hello. I am Gideon Lowe. I'm a software developer. I've been developing software for the past 20 years. I did my MCSD in 2000. I did my MCAD in 2003. I did my MCTS in 2009. I've worked in various industries, telecommunication, banking, insurance, information technology. I worked primarily with Microsoft technologies stack, SQL Server, .NET, C Sharp. Um, Front end tools that I'm using is React, Node.js. I work also a little bit on MongoDB. Um, I'm all around a full stack developer. Um, if you're interested in my services or myself developing software for you, please contact my agent. Thank you.